Got the tape, the first sealant. Okay. There it goes. We're gonna need this. We're gonna need this. Here. Broken pieces, very scary. That will make our life easier. Sound good?
There.
Okay. Take the little lock off. Now, let's try this end. One. Two. Three. The bottom ones are the toughest ones because that's where the silicone is. Most local factories, they like to put a lot of caulking in there. I still don't know why, but they do. Try again. Just like that. You see that? It's full of water. Okay, now the fun part is to clean everything up before the new sealants go up, and then we're ready for the glass. Sharp chisel always helps with this. Just gotta be careful not to cut the actual frame. If it's real sharp like my chisel. Huh? A lot of guys in the trade, they like to skip this step, which is a kind of important one. They just go right over top of the old foam. So the sealant never works as good. If you catch them doing that, don't let them do that. Most homeowners have no idea until it starts to leak again. Then they find out. So at the bottom, on the joint, all you want to do is just pinch it a little bit, just to create a better seal, and that's it. Just like that. Right outside. Telephone. The glasses are fogging up with the mask. Fits like a glove. So now that we know it fits, we can remove the tape. quality tape is easy to remove the protective lining from. Make sure the gaps are as even as they can be on both sides. Just like that. And if you really want to be polite, you can take the sticker off too. With these screws, you can never press them in too tight because you will break the actual lock. So don't do it by impact drill, just with a screwdriver and you're set. Glass is in, good to go. So all I have to do here is cut the sealant tape on the exterior with a knife, remove the lock, remove the glass stops, clean the opening up, put the new sealants in, the double-sided tape, the glazing tape, put the glass in, snap them back in place, and don't forget to put the lock back up. That's it. Very easy.